I have a really super healthy, delicious midweek dinner recipe for you. It is my crispy skin salmon with a fish sauce caramel. I'm using today the Huon Premium Tasmanian Salmon Steak, which is RSPCA approved. I've got my pan on high heat here and my salmon, which I'm going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil all over and then season that with some salt. Just make sure you get it all over. And I'm gonna pop that down skin side down into the pan. I'm just gonna press it down a little bit just so that the skin gets really nice and crispy. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna leave that there to cook for about 5 minutes on one side, and then I'm gonna flip it over. And I just want the inside to be just cooked, so really nice and pink. In the meantime, I'm just gonna make a salad to go with my fish. But before I do that, I'm just gonna make the dressing. So into a bowl, I've got some lime juice, some sugar, and some fish sauce. Give that a whisk. Then I'm gonna add in the garlic and some chilies. I've got some bird's eye chilies here, so they're quite spicy. So mix, have a taste. So you're kind of looking for sort of like a salty, sweet and sour. So I reckon I just need a little bit more sugar. And that's good to go. Now I'm gonna make my salad. Here I've got some cucumber, which I've got julienned, and then some green beans, which are blanched and then refreshed in cold water. And I've got a selection of Asian herbs, so some mint, Thai basil, and coriander. Mix that through, and also some lime leaves. So this gives it that beautiful, we'll reserve some for garnish, beautiful fragrance. Just give it a toss. And now I reckon the fish is good. So I'm just gonna flip it over. This is nice, should be nice and crispy. Let's have a look. Perfect. Drizzle a bit more olive oil. And that should literally take about 3 minutes on that side. To finish off the salad, I'm just gonna add in some shallots, finely sliced. Mix that through once again. Now just a few bits of chilli, just to give it some nice color. So that's the salad done, and then that's the dressing. So I'm just gonna set it aside. I'll dress the salad later just because I don't want it to sit for too long. Now the salmon is nearly done, so just a minute or so on that side. I reckon this fish is done. Turn the heat off, and I'm gonna pop my fish onto my serving plate. It's a really nice crispy skin right there. So now into the same pan, I'm gonna add in my fish sauce and sugar, and we're gonna create a caramel. So I'm just gonna add in the sugar until all of it dissolves, and then we're pretty much ready to serve up. All right, that looks great. I'm just gonna turn the heat off, and I'm just gonna let that sit whilst I dress my salad and plate up. So into the bowl, all that lovely dressing, and then just mix that through. And then I'm gonna pop that onto my plate. Just a heaped ladleful of salad. You garnish off my lime leaves all over the top, and then spoon over that delicious fish sauce caramel all over the fish. Now, doesn't that look super fresh and inviting? That is my crispy skin salmon with fish sauce caramel made with the Huon Premium Tasmanian Salmon.